Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm here to present the result of my entitled Recontact, Lesson Plan, Lesson Summary, Name of RPP, Activity, Reading Recontext, Skill Focus, Reading, Teacher name Arfiani Nur Halimah, Name of Organization or School SMP Muhammadiyah Tusimo, Target Student 4 years or exposed to English or basic language material as in class reading text, study plan. When objectives of the lesson, students are able to read both orally and silently, understand and interpret the context to interaction for teaching the lesson. First, the teacher introducts the student, say that reading is a fun activity and asks. And second, the teacher gives reading question to student. Third, the teacher read the story slowly in sentence and asks student to repeat. Then the teacher divides the text into 3 or 4 parts and asks student to read the story in silence. Next, the teacher asks some reading question to student in each section. And finally, the teacher gives a question, asking some inferential question. And if student cannot answer a question, the teacher can practice scaffolding them. 3. Stake and time. Stake 1, introduction and asks about favorite reading. Stake 2, giving the pre-reading question. Stake 3, read the story aloud and slowly in sentence, followed by the student. Step 4, share, tag, and ask. Step pose question. And step 5, giving question. Di sini dijelaskan apa itu recontext, feature of recontext, recon the text structure, and kind of recontext. Dan di sini juga ada example of imaginative recontext. Di sini juga dijelaskan melalui video YouTube tentang recontext juga dan latihan soal melalui Google Form. And number 2, listening. Lesson overview, lesson plan activity, name, listening and learning, skill focus, listening, teacher name Arfiani Nur Halimah, name of organization or school SD Negeri Sucen, target student again 9 until 10. Material as in class, worksheet and pictures. Lesson plan, one objectives of the lesson to develop core listening skill and specific information in developing oral fluency. 2. Interaction for teaching the lesson to set the context of the lesson. So the picture that you think is the correct animal name. Nominate student to share their dog. Give student is context to decide their meaning. Completing activity. 1. Nominate student to share their answer. Ask student to listen the song and completing activity. 2 and 3, core tasks. And ask student to listen and complete activity 4 and 5. detailed tasks. Play on necessary parts activities could be completed when at the time, and learner contract feedback and confirmation of answer shall be provided at the end of each activity. The lesson school and with an oral activity where students can freely express their opinion. Di sini juga dijelaskan melalui video YouTube, yaitu tentang listening dan ada latihan soalnya melalui learning apps. Next. Descriptive text. Lesson plan, identity, name of school, SMP Negeri 2 Simo, subject English, class 7, skill writing, genre, descriptive text, time allocation 13 minutes. Core competence, what appreciate and experience religion, lesson which student as believe, to appreciate and expression, honest action, discipline, responsible, take care, and etc. And 3, understanding knowledge, factually, conceptual, and procedural. B, basic competency, to appreciate the change that had to learn English as an international language and to appreciate the honest discipline, responsibility, caring in doing descriptive text. 3, understand the social function, text as structures and language feature in reading and oral text in doing descriptive text. Say indicator to identify the meaning of descriptive, to describe the step rhetoric, generic structure of the text, to describe the lexicogrammatical feature of the text, to analyze the structure of descriptive text based on the picture given, and D, learning objects. The students are able to identify the meaning of the descriptive text. The students are able to descriptive text, the step rhetoric, generic structure of the text. The students are able to describe the lexicogrammatical feature of the text. The students are able to analyze the structure of described text based on the picture given. Step and times. Step 1, the teacher introduces himself. Step 2, the teacher writes the phrase as on the board and introduces himself again. Step 3, students introduce themselves. Learners. Step 4, learners create fake identities for themselves and then introduce themselves. And 5, teaching method. When contextual teaching learning to direct method. G, learning material. Di sini ada describe pengertian, descriptive text, generic structure juga ada, dan karakteristik of descriptive text, example, dan penjelasan melalui video, dan latihan soal melalui Google Form. Greeting, lesson overview, name of lesson plan, activity, English conversation, speaking, skill focus, speaking, teacher name, Arfiani Nurhalima, name of organization, school, SMP Muhammadiyah 2 Simo, target student, young learners. Lesson plan, one objective of the lesson. This lesson aims to help students introduce themselves in English. Two, introduction for teaching the lesson. Step 1, introduce yourself to the class. And step 2, introduce yourself again. Step 3, encourage students to introduce themselves. And step 4, once they have introduced themselves, they can change the title, is name, again, national, etc. And 3, step and times. Step 1, the teacher introduced himself. Step 2, the teacher write the first as on the board and introduce himself again. Step 3, students introduce themselves. And step 4, learners create fake identity for themselves and then introduce themselves. Di sini juga dijelaskan apa itu greeting, jenis-jenis greeting dalam bahasa Inggris, antara lain yaitu formal greeting dan informal greeting. Di sini juga ada contoh ungkapan dalam sebuah percakapan singkat dan juga dijelaskan melalui video YouTube dan ada latihan soal melalui Google Form. Adjective and adverb. Lesson overview, name of lesson plan activity, adjective and adverb, skill focus, grammar, teacher name Arfiani Nur Halimah, organization school name SD Negeri Sujan, target student for grade 4, grade 5, material as in class, different object easily available in around the classroom, writing pad, erasers, stationery, pictures, and card. Lesson plan 1, objective of the lesson, describe plot of being from size G, shape, power, material as adjective and adverb together to give a detailed description of something as appropriate spoken and written language. And 2, interaction for teaching the lesson web of the class by greeting the student and ask the student how they would like to describe. And 3, tag and timing introduction 10 minutes. Introduce the topic by explaining what adjective and adverb. And teaching strategies, write a story and on the board and underline all the nouns, and assessment of objective, assess the student comprehension of the topic by checking their individual response. Di sini juga ada penjelasan materi melalui YouTube dan Google Drive, dan juga ada latihan soal melalui Google Form. Sekian presentasi dari saya. Mohon maaf apabila ada kesalahan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.